Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel today. Today we are unboxing the Ryobi 40 volt horsepower 21 inch brushless mower. This is a brand new self-propelled mower from Ryobi. This is a new purchase for us and we're looking to do a lot of lawn cutting with this mower. So in this video we just unboxed the mower, kind of see what it's all about and check out the build quality. So first impressions when I was taking it out of the box, it's quite heavy. These are the batteries that are in my hands right now. The batteries are quite big. So if you're used to the Ryobi tool set, you know that their batteries are interchangeable between all their tools. Unfortunately, since this is different voltage, you have to use different batteries for this mower versus the traditional batteries that they normally use in their power tools. Now we're seeing a huge shift in Ryobi. A lot of tools are using these 40 volt batteries. And these are their new brushless series, so they should last a lot longer. Now obviously the batteries will degrade over time and you will have to purchase new batteries, but the actual mower itself should last quite a long time. Now I have used a couple of their brushless tools, not in the 40 volt series, but in their standard series, and I was quite impressed with them. Now you can see I'm pulling at that tag right there. And this is a little key that chooses which battery you actually get to use with this mower. So you can't actually use both batteries at the same time, like the smaller mower that we do have. It's an older generation. So you have to turn the key when you want to use a different battery that you place into the mower. It's a really nice cover, and it should keep the debris down by opening up towards the front versus opening towards the back. So that should keep most of the grass and clippings outside of the mower. Now this mower does come with a couple of attachments. You can mulch it and bag it and collect all of the grass that you do cut. Or what you could do is you could just mulch the grass underneath the mower into the mower deck if you don't have that thick of a lawn. And this will add nutrients back into your grass, or you could do the standard way and just kind of shoot it out the side. Now, we did not attach any of these for this video just because we were short on time and we just wanted to get to testing the actual unit. So when you're using this mower, there's a couple of steps to turn it on, especially with the handles. And it did get it was a little tricky to get used to at the start. But what is really neat is you don't actually have to use the self-propelled feature while using this mower, which is actually really nice if you want to back up or if you're on level field and you don't need to actually use the self-propelled feature. But when using this mower on a hill, it was very handy to have that self-propelled feature to help you lift not only yourself, but it'll help you lift the mower up the hill as well. So what I'm just going to show you here is the fast charge solution for their batteries. So this is the new 40 volt charger. If you haven't seen it before, these do connect a little bit differently. Instead of a push-in, they are a slide-in style type of connector for the battery. So here's the batteries. This is one of the batteries. I just wanted to give you a quick close-up just so you can kind of see what it's like. So we did get two 6 amp hour batteries that fit in this mower. So you can actually carry both batteries with you in the mower. And on the box it said it's good for 3/4 of an acre. And after a small test, I do believe that. The mower doesn't run at the same speed constantly. It will actually spin up if you are cutting a thicker lawn, which is really neat. Now on the side of the battery, you can see I just pressed that button and it's a voltage indicator to tell you how much juice you still have left in those batteries. So you can see my dad has the other battery there. We're just going to plug one of them in for the sample, and we're going to spin up this mower for you. So here you can see I'm just showing you how the battery will clip in. You just slide it in and then it'll charge, and it charges fairly fast. So there we go, we got both batteries in the mower and we're about to do a little mower test for you. If you like this video, click that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.